hold on. You know what? I'm going to search for a solution. Let's see, video, math. Maybe this guy can help me. There we go. Hey. Hey, you. Hey. Hey, do you think you could help me? I accidentally drew on the screen right here. I don't know what to do. No, a little bit farther down, right there. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's not working. That's making it worse. I'm not sure what to do here. What's that? Oh, okay, yeah, all right. That's just getting the cat dirty. That's not working. All right, okay, yeah, let's try that, Oh. It's okay, don't worry about it. I don't know what to do. You have an idea? Oh, okay. Yeah, all right. Okay, let me try that. Okay, go grab that for me. All right. Move out of the way. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Okay, actually let me move this out of the way so you can see it there. Move that there. There we go. I think that worked. All right, thanks for helping me. Oh, yeah, okay. Sorry. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Wait a second. I think the lightsaber was too hot. Uh-oh. It's catching on fire. Oh no. There we go. Finally got rid of it. All right, thank you.